Hello everybody, here I am just entering the Chandragiri Starling resort, and now we can see here the statue. Good evening. You know his reception. So this is the reception. We are going to enter it. And look what we can see. Good evening, namaste. So just we want to look around and to see the rooms and restaurant.
Everything.
Go around.
You will take room the cabin is available.
So next year maybe we have some foreign visitors.
Okay.
So they can also enjoy. To stay here. So we are here right now at the Starling Resort reception, and we are going to see the rooms, and yeah, just exciting.
I'm general manager for this property.
And can you please introduce yourself, please?
My name is A.K. Patnaik, Abani Kumar Patnaik. Basically, I am GM for this property. You can visit me anytime. You can correspond in my number 70-777-16123. Anytime, 24/7 it will be out.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
So here the surroundings are very peaceful and quite green, and the plantations are very nice. Everywhere you can see trees, big trees, and coconut trees, and teak wood. I think teak wood. This one, teak wood, and just now we have seen the manager, and here we have the conference hall. So conference hall, if you want to have any meeting or whatever you like, one can have here the meetings, and anything one can do here, and it's quite nice, decorated everywhere, and chairs. Now we're gonna see the restaurant here, so we will drink something here. Good evening. Can we have some tea? Okay. So we are finally at the resort restaurant, and you can I think eat here, and you can drink here, and it's quite clean here. The main thing is the cleanliness and the decorative it's quite nice here, and we have here right now the menu and the chairs and tables are quite nice. So we are going to take order. Now we are going to look the rooms, and let's see. I'm very excited about the rooms.
Sir, open restaurant. That is my
That's open restaurant. So it's also very nice to have here open restaurant. You can under this beautiful roof you can dine, and you can breakfast here or lunch here. So you can see dinner also, and very beautiful here. And this is the rooms here, and one can spend one night or 2 nights or maybe many nights in rooms. I think the most important is the cleanliness. And we are now going upstairs to look room. And today it's quite crowded here. But well, look what we can have here. And here's the balcony. And we have here rooms. Suite rooms.
Yes.
So this is the suite rooms. And here we have a flat television. And here we have a small bed to rest, or we can use it for anything. And here we have also small, let's say, tables, and we have small. Now we can see what we can have here. Oh, wow! Double bed and AC, fan, cupboard, window, and as you can see here, the small, let's say, toilet, washroom. As you can see here, very nice small washroom, and toilet, western toilet, and bath. You can shower here. Very nice. Wow, so amazing, nice. Okay, you can see from here the windows. The outside is quite green and nice environment, nature, and very nicely decorated here. Wow, I'm happy to see such room. I'm going out to see. So this is, I think, sitting room where you can sit and talk with your friends, and it's balcony. Balcony is quite big, and you can enjoy the nature outside, trees and garden. It's very well maintained, and the environment is quite calm and serenity. And here we have deluxe room, and as you can see here, double bed, king size, and AC, and you can have here also one sitting room and toilet as well. Toilet and bathroom is almost together here, and it's very clean here. The most important thing is the cleanliness. I think people choose, and you have hot water if you like, and it's quite good actually. And TV if you like to watch TV, and small table at the bedside, and hot water cooker, and it's room number 2D201. That means deluxe room. And we have a very nice balcony here also, where you can also enjoy this general room. So we have standard room.
Yes, sir.
So we have here the standard room. Standard room is not so big, but it's quite big enough for two person. Yes, you can see here the bed and the decoration, and the towels are on the bed, as you can see. And we have here very nice bathroom, and you can also western style toilet, and the hot water is available also. So I think this is the very nice standard room, and I will ask her what is the price.
Sir, price standard room ka sir 3000.
3,000.
3000.
Okay. For standard room we have the Indian rupee 3,000, and for deluxe room
Deluxe room sir 4000.
For deluxe room for one night 4,000, and for suite
Sir, 5,000.
suite room is the most expensive 5,000.
Yes, sir.
So one can actually choose 3 rooms, and each of these rooms are very nice, and I think it's really affordable if you come to Chandragiri Starling Resort. Actually, it's quite nice, and it's affordable, and one can spend that much of money without any problem. So now I'm going down, and so everywhere you can find rooms. Here the ground floor rooms, if you prefer to sleep at the ground floor, you can also sleep here. If you prefer the second floor, do we have the third floor? No, only two floor we have, and also the open restaurant. You can enjoy also here some walk, and just feel the nature. And these coconut trees are very nice, and garden. Yeah, so all in all, I can say it's a very nice place, very nice restaurant, and I think I should recommend you to come here and visit this place and spend some time. Why not when you reach or when you come to Chandragiri district, Gajapati, Odisha, and nearby Tibetan settlement, camp number 1. Thank you. What is this?
This is, I don't know, this is beverage.
Green beverage or
Beverage, mocktail or cocktail?
mocktail? I think.
Or beverage, mineral
How is it? Is it a good one, or you like it or not? This one.
Yeah, also very delicious.
Delicious. Okay.
Also cold.
Good.
Nice.
Okay. I have one question for you.
Yeah.
What you want to say for your visitors and guests who want to come here and stay here?
Actually, we start a concern about the natures. Nature lovers, those who love the natures, they usually comes. They can enjoy the whistle sounds of the birds.
Yes,
The
yes.
typical forest birds, they give the typical sounds in the early mornings. That whistle goes very smooth and silent in the nature itself, a greenish place. And people should visit in their own leisure. They can spend out with nearby so many places are there, tourist place. They can visit over just near 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers.
So, for
7
example, one can go to Taptapani,
One can go to Taptapani.
hot spring.
Hot spring. Otherwise, they can go to here our Jirang, the
Jirang
temple,
Monastery Temple,
the
yeah.
honest temple.
Tibetan
For
camp.
the last so many years. And Mahendragiri, the mountains, hill mountains, they can cross around.
Yes,
Then
yes.
Mankadadia, one place, the hill place with the monkeys and all.
Okay, that we don't know.
That is there in nearby.
Okay,
So
nearby.
like this, so many places are there.
Yeah.
And want to develop the people, those who are staying so rurality, that should come up. They must know that what is the day-to-day life is going on throughout the world, and they can enjoy it with us. That is my request.
Very nice, sir.
I always request all our guests to visit once anytime
Chandragiri,
here.
Starling.
Chandragiri, Starling Forest Resort.
Starling Forest Resort. Thank you so much, sir.